Welcome everyone. This interesting question given to us is a triangle and a square inside a circle with center O. The side lengths of triangle are 5, 7 and 8 centimeter. The base length of the triangle and square are in straight line. Exciting part is with this limited data we have to find area of square. Let's check this elegant solution. Let's start by assuming the side length of square is a centimeter. Also, let's draw the diameter of this brown square such that it passes through point O and point B. So we are drawing this diameter such that it's overlapping OB length, the side of the triangle. Now DO is the radius, also AO is also the radius. So DO length is 7 centimeter. OE length, that's also 7, and thus BE length, that will be 2 centimeter. Now if you look carefully in this figure, we have got a chord DE which is intersecting another chord AC at point B. So here applying power of point theorem, that is when two chords are intersecting each other, then they divide each other such that the product of the lengths is equal. So applying it here, we will get dB times of BE, that will be equal to AB times of BC length. Putting the values here, dB length is 12, BE that's 2, AB length is 8 and BC is what we have to find. So simplifying it, we'll get A is 24 by 8 or 3 centimeter. And area of square, that will be 3 square or 9 centimeter square, and that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.